Hi, it's Jason with Fresh Start Detail. Hey, if you've ever bought a brand new Porsche, you've probably seen this on your paint at some point. I've always tried to describe it to potential Porsche owners. It's hard to describe, but I've got a dark color car here that I'm getting ready to correct this problem. This comes from the factory this way. And bear with me, it can be difficult to see on camera. But it's these flaws in the paint. I'll call them tiger stripes, but they're from the shrink wrap they put on cars. So what we're going to do is we're going to look right in the reflection of this light, and I'm going to zoom in and move. And again, in person you can see them much easier. And let's see if I can find them here. There's a whole bunch of them right here. Okay, see that little line? There's another one. There's another one. Get the camera to focus here. They're all down here. There we go. Right there. See that little guy? May not seem like much. But what happens is, I don't know why it's happened for years. Porsche doesn't fix this. They put the shrink wrap on the paint. Right there is where the little wrinkles are. And so I'm assuming moisture gets trapped between the paint and the film. And it sits for who knows how long on its voyage from Germany to America, and then you pull the shrink wrap off and these are left behind. Most consumers won't notice them, but guys that are buying collectors and things like that for investment purposes, you will definitely notice them because it's going to devalue your car. So on this one I'm doing a correction. This one is only on the roof. Usually we see them only on the top surfaces. I've inspected this one. The hood and front fenders are perfectly fine. They're not on there. And then in the back is fine too. A lot of times we see them right here on these fenders. This one, it's only the roof. So I'm going to correct a little spot here so you can kind of see a before and after and see what this Porsche paint is supposed to look like. And then lastly, I'm doing a ceramic coating on this. Okay, so I've corrected one little spot so you can kind of see a before and after. I'll show you what this looks like. This is what it should look like from the factory. Okay, let me find it here. There's the edge of the mark. Bear with me. It's hard to find on camera. Right there. Okay, so see the existing line still there, right to the end of my finger? And then from my finger on, I've cut that out. Okay, so that's what that should look like. Now I'll just do the rest of the car. Now a lot of people are going to say, really, Jason, you have to look that hard to find it? Do you really need to do paint correction on a brand new car? This car has 46 miles on it. Well, do you need to do it? Well, did you need to buy a Porsche? Right? If you want perfection, you know, that's what it takes. So anyway, if you're considering doing that, consider having me correct the paint for you. Go out and look at your Porsche. If it's 4 years old or less, I almost promise you, if you look hard enough in the light just right, you'll see it. Sorry to have to disappoint you like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.